So it's almost Thanksgiving, and today is all about the pies. Now previously I made a mint chocolate chip keto cheesecake. See my other video for that. If you want pie recipes, just go to my website, www.finishwellhealthcoaching.com. Send me an email and just write pie in the subject line, and I will send you the recipes. Or you can sign up for my blog. I'm going to use monk fruit powdered sugar replacement, peanut butter, of course, and cream cheese. I have some white chocolate baking chips, heavy whipping cream, milk chocolate baking chips, vanilla extract, raw pecans, and salt. Now I'm going to use these pecans to make the crust. If you would rather, you could use these. I also have these. I think I'll go with vanilla today. I'm going to use this organic butter to hold my crust together. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of butter. Got my measuring cup. Now you have to be careful when you do this. I've already broken these before. I'm going to put my butter in there and heat this up on a low heat until it's melted. Got my handy dandy little kitchen chopper here. I'm going to chop these pecans, but I'm not going to grind them into a flour. I need 2 cups of pecans. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. That's a little better. I'm going to pour the nuts in here. Look at that. I'm going to put some salt in here. Just a little bit of sweetener. So the butter's heated up. I'm going to pour in the butter. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to put this in my pie pan. Now I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I'm just going to pop this in. Now I'm going to bake this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes fragrant. And then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to make the filling. Make sure you let it cool completely before you put the filling in. So I have a double boiler here. You can see I filled it with water. I'm going to use this to melt the chocolate. So I put the cream cheese in the bowl. Got the peanut butter. This is a 16-ounce jar. I'm going to mix this together and see what happens. Now I have my cream. I'm going to whip this up. I'm going to take my vanilla and add a little bit to the mixture. And we're going to add our sweetener. Our crust is ready to be cooled. Now we're going to add some chocolate. Now we're going to melt the milk chocolate chips. Now our pie crust is cooled. We're going to spoon our filling right into the crust. I'm just going to swirl this chocolate on here. And then we're going to put this in the fridge for about 3 hours. And there we have it. Peanut butter pie with white chocolate and chocolate swirl on top, ready for Thanksgiving.